How does he know when to take the crane back up? Oh, by the walkie-talkie.
You have to love what you do, and you have to be passionate about it, and you have to completely submerge yourself in it. If you think that you're going to start a business and turn up in front of a computer at 9 o'clock and at 5 o'clock close the laptop and walk off, then you're living in la la land. Or you're a lot more intelligent than I am, because I don't know anyone who can do that. You have to submerge yourself, you have to really want it, and you just can't take no for an answer. And doubt will enter your mind, but you have to persevere. I got one for you. This is the wisdom for the day. The person who says that he can and the person who say they can't, they're both normally right. They're both normally right. The person who said he couldn't and the person who said they could, they're both right. Yeah, when they're talking about their self.
What advice would you give to people who are trying to become successful at the start of their journeys?
Whatever you do, don't give up. And I don't want to sound like negative, but it will not be easy. But if you persevere, things will happen. Eventually things will happen, and it will not happen overnight. But if there's any journey that you're going to take, I think you should take that journey. And if you haven't tried, you haven't lived.